After that, let us come to the grammar portion. Read the conversation between Emperor Akbar and Birbal. Note the words in color. The water of the lake is freezing. Cold. Here is a poor man. Can he spend a night in the lake? Would you give him a reward? Yes. The reward will be 1,000 gold coins if he spends a whole night in the lake. Okay. The words in color are called articles. We use them before nouns or adjectives using the three articles. So you all know, children, which are the articles? A, an, and the. Okay. So these three articles are basically used before nouns or before adjectives. We use a before singular nouns or adjectives that begin with a consonant sound. A bag, a ball, okay, a guava. So all the words that starts with a consonant sound and is talking about one thing, one in number, then we use a. Example, a guard, a messenger, a poor man, 1,000 gold coins. 1,000 gold coins. So 1,000 means 1,000, we can say. Clear? So a is used before singular nouns when or adjectives that begin with a consonant sound. There are few exceptions for using the article a. However, there are few exceptions. Examples, a university, a 1 rupee coin. So these are the exceptional cases. Clear? Now, an. We use an before singular nouns or adjectives that begin with a vowel sound. So before a singular noun or adjective that starts with a consonant noun, a consonant sound, what do we use? A. And a singular noun or adjective that begins with a vowel sound, what do we use? An. An aeroplane, an umbrella, an apple, an egg. Okay? For examples, an umbrella, an R. Now why is this R used? Before R we use an. Is H a vowel? No, H is not a vowel. Then why do we use? Because, children, when we say R, we are using O. The pronunciation says R and hour. Hour. We don't say hour or har. So the H is silent over here. And the pronunciation sound starts with a vowel. So here we are talking about a vowel sound. We are not talking about a vowel letter. So hour is starting with vowel sound O. That is why we are using an. An entire night. An engaging story. So all these are starting with vowel sounds, and that is why we are using an before the word. We use a or an when we refer to a thing, one thing, for the first time. Only for the first time we use a or an. The girl is having a beautiful, the girl is having an umbrella. The umbrella is red in color. So first time we used an. After that, since we are talking about that particular thing, we start mentioning the, using the and not a or an. Okay? We use the when we refer to it again. So from the second time onwards, we start using the. Read these sentences. Birbal searched far and wide until he found a poor man. So first time we are using a poor man. Second, the poor man entered the cold lake. From second time when we are mentioning about the poor man, we know which poor man we are talking about. We are talking about this particular poor man. So we are using the. Is it clear? We use the when we refer to a particular thing or place. We use the when we refer to the thing which is in particular. Let's go for a swim in the lake near the palace. So we are talking about that particular lake which is near the palace, that particular palace. So here we are talking about both the particular lake and the particular palace. Bring me the book on the top shelf. So I want that particular book which is on the top of that particular shelf, not any other shelf. Look, the duck's eggs are being hatched. So I am specifically talking about the eggs of the ducks, not of any other animal. We also use the before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, well-known buildings, holy books, some countries, not all countries, some countries, groups of islands and people of a nationality. Examples: the Red Sea, the Taj Mahal, the Bible, the United States of America. It is a group. Okay. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Again, it is a group of islands. The French. It's a nationality. Now we talk about zero article. Now what is a zero article? There are certain places where we do not put any article. Those at those times, those are called zero articles. Now let us see the places. We do not use articles before nouns that refer to something indefinite. This absence of an article before a noun is called a zero article. So the article is not used. We use a zero article before the following. So here are the rules of zero article. First, we all know that before uncountable noun, we do not put any article. Can we say a water, an water, the water? No. So before uncountable noun, we do not put any article. Example, I love cheese. Okay. Second, before meals, before the name of meals, while making a general statement. We have dinner at 9 p.m. So it's a general statement. We are not specifying anything. So it's a general statement that we have dinner at 9 p.m. Before names of hours, days and months. Our academic session starts in April. In the April we don't say. In April we say. Before names of games and sports, I love to play cricket. We don't say I love to play the cricket. Badminton is an interesting game. Though we don't say the badminton. Clear? Before the names of cities, states, countries and languages. Like Ramya lives in Madrid. Madrid is the capital of Spain. Ramya speaks both English and Telugu fluently. Clear? So before languages, we don't use any type of article, and except few countries, for the rest of the countries, we do not use any article before them. So hope articles are clear to you. Now let us go to page number 28. See, here you have an exercise based on article. Children, please fill in in the blanks with the correct form of articles to complete the story. Mark cross for the zero article. So if you feel that there no article should be put over there in the blank, then just put a cross. Clear?